Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to continue the chapter constructions. You all know that we have already finished all the types of constructions, but in today's class, we are going to focus on some of the additional constructions which are going to be taken from the reference book like NCERT Exemplar, Eschal and Addition. So it is one among them. Just I am continuing that worked examples. Please go through this. It is construct a triangle if its perimeter is 10.4 centimeter and two angles are 45 degree and 120 degree. We should also write the steps of construction. Okay, first let me give you the rough sketch. They are given the perimeter of a triangle, but the triangle has not been named. Hence, I write ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle. Now, I will name this as ABC. They have given the perimeter. How much it is? 10.4 centimeter. Perimeter means the sum of all the sides of triangle. So it is AB plus BC plus AC. It's equal to 10.4 centimeter. And two angles are 45 degree and 120 degree. See, one angle is 45 degree and another one, it is 120 degree. That means we can draw like this, 120 degree. Then obviously the triangle will come in this way. Followed? So here I will write angle B equal to 45 degree, then angle C equal to 120 degree. So with this, let's go for constructing. Now before that, copy the statement, draw the figure, write the data as well. Yes, write construction. Now get ready with the instrument box and in that take scale and pencil. So first, we have to draw a line segment of length 10.4 centimeter. Yes, take scale and pencil and draw the line segment of length 10.4 centimeter. Here I am drawing 10.4. Yes, and you may name this as X, Y. Now construct angle 45 degree at B and 120 degree at C. Yes, take compasses. At X, first let us construct right angle. It can be bisected to get 45 degree. You know how to construct 90 degree? Follow that procedure. Yes. You have to draw an arc on this arc. With the same radius, you have to draw two more arcs. From these points of intersection, you will draw two arcs. They intersect at a point. Through that point, you have to draw the line from X. Let it be dotted line. Yes. Next, but we want 45 degree. Hence, this right angle should be bisected. Draw an angular bisector by taking these 2 points as center. From this point as center, let me draw an arc of some radius. From this point also, without changing the radius, draw an arc which intersect at a point. Then, take scale and pencil, draw the line from X through this point. Okay. So this is 45 degree. Next, we want 120 degree. So let us construct 120 degree at Y. With Y as center, draw an arc of any radius. Next, from this point, see up to here it is 60 degree and from this point it is 60. 60 plus 60, it is 120 degree. Take scale and pencil, draw line from Y which passes through this point. It is 120 degree. Okay. Now we have constructed given angles. Could you tell what is the next step? Very good. We have to bisect both the angles. Let us bisect 45 degree with these 2 points, this one and this one. As center, draw 2 arcs of some radius. Radius, let it be more than half of this angular distance. Here I am drawing one arc, and from this point another arc. And 120 degree should be bisected. See that? It's very simple. Already 60 degree has been marked. Hence, you can directly go for drawing the line. From X, let me draw the line that passes through this point of intersection. Yes. Let it be again dotted line. Next, bisect 120 degree, that is, it will be 60 degree. So, draw the line from Y through this point. Both will intersect at a point. You may call this point as A. Followed? Next. What is the next step to be done? Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector to AX as well as AY. Take compasses. With A as center, draw the arcs on either side, and the radius, let it be more than half of AX. So let me draw one arc here and another arc here. Without changing the radius, with the A as center, draw an arc. And both will intersect 2 distinct points. See, these are the points. You may join these points. Again, take scale and pencil. To show that perpendicular line, I am using red color. This will intersect XY at a point. This is, you may call this point as B. Next, draw perpendicular bisector to AY. With A as center, take more than half of AY and draw the arcs on either side. Without changing the radius, with A as center, draw the arcs. Yes. Now, let's go for drawing the line. Hope that you have drawn the line. Here, I am drawing. See that with these 2 points. Draw with a dotted line. This will intersect XY at point C. Next, you have to join AB and AC with a dark line. AB, then AC. See that here, ABC is the required triangle. You may also check the measurement. On checking, you will come to know this is 45 degree. See that these 2 lines are parallel, and this will be 120 degree. These 2 lines will be parallel. Now, conclusion. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. Followed? Okay. Now, let's go for writing the steps of construction. Go on writing steps. First you will draw the line segment XY of length 10.4 centimeter. You may write that measurement here, 10.4 centimeter. Next, construct construct 45 degree at X and 120 degree at Y. Next, bisect 45 degree. Bisect the angle 45 degree and an angle, the angle 120 degree, which intersect at the point A. Followed? Next, draw the perpendicular bisector to AX which intersect XY at B. Draw the perpendicular bisector to AX and AX which intersects XY at B. Next, join AB. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector to A1. Draw the perpendicular bisector to A5 which intersects XY at C. Join AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is obtained. Followed? Yes. Please copy this. Yes, students. Now we are moving to another very important and interesting construction. It is with respect to an equilateral triangle. Then just to recall the definition of it. Yes, a triangle in which all the three sides are equal is an equilateral triangle. What is its another important property? You are right. Each of its angle will be 60 degrees, right? Okay, just go through the statement. It is construct an equilateral triangle if its altitude is 6 centimeter, and also we have to write the steps of construction. Dear students, here I'll draw an equilateral triangle in which all sides are equal. The name of the triangle has not been given, hence I go for writing here. Let ABC be an equilateral triangle. If it is so, AB equal to BC equal to CA. Not only this, angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. Here I write A, B, C. Its altitude is given. Observe. This is the altitude. I call this as ED. It is 6 centimeter. Then how to construct this? It's very simple. I'll go for explaining the construction of construction steps. Before that, just copy the statement, draw the figure and write the data. Hope that you have written. Just observe it. I'll go for explaining the construction of this equilateral triangle roughly. Here first you will go for drawing a line segment of any length. You may name this as XY. Then after that, mark a point. Call this as D. Followed. At D, you have to it should be perpendicular now. So construct 90 degrees. See that? This is the way we construct 90 degrees. Then what is the length of the altitude? It is 6 centimeters. See, with the D as center, you have to draw an arc of radius 6 centimeters. You may call this point as A. Now, it's very interesting. We have to mark the point B and C. Dear students, you know that the perpendicular drawn in an equilateral triangle bisects the vertex angle as well as base, right? If it bisects the vertex angle, then what will be angle BAD? It will be 30 degree, right? Because angle A is 60 degree, half of that 30. This is also 30 degree. So now at this point you have to construct 30 degree. It is also very simple. Look here. With A as center, you draw an arc. From this point, you draw another arc. How much it is? It is 60. You have to bisect this angle. You will get 60 degree and produce that line to XY. It will intersect at B. Similarly, here also you have to construct first 60 degree, then 30 degree. Then the line will intersect XY at C. See, AB, BC and AC. These are the sides of equilateral triangle. Even you can also verify by measuring the length of AB, BC and AC. All will be equal. Followed? Okay. Dear students, before going to this construction, we need to go for calculation. That is, we have to show this as 30 degree. Yes. Now you will start writing with me. Yes. Write down. Calculation. Calculation. Here we know that the perpendicular, please go on writing with me, perpendicular drawn in an equilateral triangle bisects the base and vertex angle. Even in case of isosceles also. Now we want these two angles. Hence I may write angle BAD equal to CAD, angle BAD equal to CAD equal to half of angle A, that is 60 degree. Half of 60 degree is 30. Followed? Now you have to start doing the construction with me. Take scale and pencil. Just go for drawing a line segment of any length. Let it be around 10 centimeter. 1. Next. Name this as XY. Mark a point on XY wherever you want. You may call this point as D. Next. At D, you have to construct a right angle. Observe it. And go on constructing with me. With the D as center, you will draw an arc, that is a semicircle which intersect XY at two distinct points. Even just only this much is also enough. From this point, you will draw an arc. Again from this point, you will draw two more arcs. Next, cut that arc. You will get right angle. Is it not? Next, take scale and pencil, draw the line from the point D such that it should pass us through the point of intersection. We know that this is the red color line indicates the perpendicular line, nothing but altitude. Okay, then what should be the length of this altitude? It should be 6 centimeter, right? Now take scale and compasses. In compasses, take 6 centimeter. Here I am taking, observe. Here, okay. Yes, this is 6 centimeter. With D as center, draw an arc which cuts the perpendicular line at a point. Name this point as A. Followed? Dear students, we know that angle BAD, it is 30 degree. Even CAD is also 30 degree. Hence, at point A, you have to construct 30 degree on either side. Now let me tell you, how is this? With A as center, first you have to draw an arc of any radius. Yeah, please go for drawing with me. With A as center, draw the arc. See that it will intersect the perpendicular at a point. From this point, without changing the radius, you have to draw an arc. Followed? And from here also, it will intersect the arcs on either side. Followed? Yeah. What is the measurement of the angle from this point to here? It is 60 degree. But how much is required? We want 30 degree. Hence, this angle should be bisected. If you want, you may go for marking, naming these points also. It is, let it be P, this is Q and R. Only for your reference. With P and Q as centers, you have to draw two arcs. Observe, of any radius. Next, with Q as center, without changing the radius. Similarly, with P as center on the other side, you have to draw the arc with R as center. Draw the arc which intersect at a point. Now, take scale and pencil, then draw the line from the point A, which passes through the point of intersection, and it will also intersect the line XY at B. So AB is the line segment. Similarly, you have to draw another line from the point A that should passes through the point of intersection which intersect XY at C. Followed? Now we have got the triangle ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Followed? Now you may go for checking that whether it is equilateral triangle or not. How? By measuring the sides, that is AB, BC and AC. If all sides are equal, then it is an equilateral. See, here, take it. Yes, all the sides are same only. Got it? Okay, now here I'll write, therefore ABC is the required equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Followed? Now I'll write the measurement of the altitude, 6 centimeter. Next, you may also measure the angles A, B and C. You will get each of these angles will be 60 degrees. Hope that you have got the same. Next, you have to write the steps of construction with me. Yes. Start writing. The first step. What? You have to draw a line segment of length 10 or 12 centimeter. Draw the line XY of any length. Here, as the altitude is 6 centimeter, you may go for taking more than that, about 10 centimeter. Next, mark the point D on XY, anywhere else. Mark the point D on XY. Followed. Next, construct a right angle at D. Construct right angle, that is 90 degree, or construct perpendicular at D. Next, with D as center, you have to draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter which intersect the perpendicular at A. Followed? Draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter which intersects or which cuts the perpendicular at A. Got it? Next, construct 30 degree at A on either sides of the perpendicular. Construct 30 degree on either sides of the perpendicular perpendicular ED at E. Next, draw the line from A which intersect XY at B. Draw or produce the arms of 30° on either sides of perpendicular ED which intersect XY at B and C. Therefore, triangle ABC, that is equilateral triangle ABC, is obtained. Followed? Yes. Please go for copying these steps. Dear students, observe it. Now we are moving to exercise 11.2. In that, first 4 have already been constructed in the examples only. Now we are moving to 5th one, and this is the last construction of this chapter. It is like this. Construct a triangle whose base is 12 cm and the sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. Followed? Dear students, here first let me draw the rough sketch. They have given to construct right triangle. Obviously, one of its angle will be 90°. I take angle B as 90°. They have given the base is 12 cm. BC is 12 cm. Then sum of its hypotenuse and other side. Which is the hypotenuse? Very good. AC. The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. Then what is the other side? Now this is other side, nothing but altitude. AB plus AC is given. How much it is? 18 cm. Obviously, you will have to use the long sheet for constructing this. If it is not possible, you may go for reducing this measurement. That is, you may take every 2 cm as 1 unit. Got it? Then base will be 6 cm. Then sum of hypotenuse and other side, it is how many units? 9 units. Clear? Okay. Observe it. Data. Let ABC be a right triangle in which angle B is 90. As they are given, BC equal to 12 cm. Followed? Then AC plus AB, it is equal to 18 cm. So I am telling you to reduce the scale. The reason is, when the sum is given, the sum of two sides, it is 18 cm. Then after that you will join a line. You will have to draw the perpendicular bisector to that. It may not be possible with your compasses. So that is why you may reduce that. So to reduce that, in the construction itself, you have to write the scale like this. Scale. Let every 2 cm is to be taken as 1 unit. 1 unit. Then you may take this 1 unit as 1 cm. Followed? If it is so, BC equal to 12 cm, this will be 12 by 2, it's equal to 6 units. Next, AC plus AB equal to 18 cm is there. You may write this as 18 by 2, it is equal to 9 units. Followed? While writing the measurement also, just to go for writing 6 units, 9 units like this. Now, let us start the construction. Take scale and pencil. Yes. Now, start constructing the triangle. First, what is the base? 12 cm. Nothing but 6 units. Right. Draw a line segment of length 12 centimeter is nothing but 6 units. You may mark it for 6 centimeter. Over and name this as BC. Got it? It is 6 units. Nothing but 12 centimeter it is. Next, at B, you have to construct right angle. Take compasses with B as center, draw an arc of some radius. Next, from this point, draw 2 arcs on the semicircle and cut the, from these 2 points, draw 2 more arcs, they intersect at a point. Next, take scale and pencil, draw the line from B, such that it should pass through the point of intersection. Followed? Let it be dotted line. Next, in compasses, take 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter is nothing but 9 units. Yes. What? With B as center, draw an arc. Yes. Mark this point as P. Join PC. Followed? Even let it be the dotted line. So, how much it is? BP? It is 9 units. 9 units. In bracket, write 18 centimeter. Next, what is the next step? We have to draw a perpendicular bisector to BC. Now, go for drawing perpendicular bisector to PC. Hope that you are drawn. With the C as center, draw an arc of some radius. Arc of radius more than half of PC. Without changing the radius, with P as center, we have to draw the arc which cut the previous arc at 2 points. You may name these points and name these points as X and Y. This is X, this is Y. Join X, Y and produce that to PB. This will intersect PB at a point. You may call this point as A. Followed? Now join AC. Even join AB. Now ABC is the required triangle. You can check it out by measuring AB and AC. You get 5 and 13, right? Okay. Right, conclusion. Therefore, ABC is the required right triangle. Is the required right angle triangle, or just you can write right triangle. Steps actually they have not asked. Let's go for writing them. Start writing. Draw the line segment BC of length 12 centimeter. Next, construct right angle at B. Construct right angle. Right angle means it is 90 degree. at B. Next, with B as center, yes, we have to draw an arc of radius. How much? Very good. Radius 18 centimeter, which cuts the perpendicular at P. What is the next step? Join PC. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector, that is XY to PC. Draw the perpendicular, which is that perpendicular XY to PC. Produce XY to intersect PB at A, right? See that XY, Y-axis is produced to PB at A. Next, then join AC. Therefore, right triangle ABC is obtained. Written. Dear students, with this construction, the chapter has been completed. So we are focused on all the types of construction. Please do practice that without fail. And particularly in the examination point of view, constructing these triangles, very important. Maybe the sum of the sides or difference of the sides or perimeter of the triangle. Among these three, definitely one will be given in the examination. In addition with that, constructing standard angles also, like there may be the multiples of 7.5 degree, 7.5 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree. Not only that, even 105 degree, 135 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. These are all very important. Please do practice them. Okay. So before going to stop today's class, I'll give you one more information. In tomorrow's class, we will focus on the next chapter, that is Heron's formula, which is also known as Hero's formula, used to find out area of triangle. After completing the 12th chapter, we will focus on science. No doubt the entire syllabus will be finished by the end of January. Then in the month of February, we will revise the lessons as well as we will go for solving the previous year question papers as well. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.